Tufting is an age-old technique that has been used to create beautiful rugs and textiles for centuries. Thanks to TikTok, the technique has gained popularity as a hobby, and my guest now has even started a business making customized rugs. Alex Palmer is the founder of Craft Rugs. Hey Alex, how are you? Welcome.
I'm doing good.
Good. You don't look like a century old, so
no.
Yeah, you recently started this whole matter of tufting. But what got you into producing pieces as beautiful as these?
So I have always been a creative, right? Even since I was a child, right? From dancing to music to acting, right? I even attended EDNA as well. Mm-hmm. So this came about while, researching some creative ideas. And that's how I came up on tufting. And this was last year in December.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's it been like, that journey? It's been what, about 6-7-ish months?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is interesting for a lot of people as well, right? They're always intrigued into how it is done. And, if I can create a piece of their face or their family, right? Right. So I get a lot of persons or customers who are very, interested in the art form and, looking to get something done for themselves or their homes or businesses. How
difficult is it to learn the skill? I know, like, for example, like knitting and crocheting and sewing and embroidery and stuff like that can, there's a bit of a learning curve. What's the learning curve like on,
That's true.
on tufting?
So, trial and errors, right? It has a bit of getting used to, right? But once you're in the groove, you'll be able to master it in probably no time, maybe 2 months or 3 months or so. But, it comes with a bit of experience and a bit of, losing money here and there until you're actually perfect.
Yeah, you're losing money and certainly time because you feel like you're going good and you're like, oh no, all right. Now, let's talk through what you need because we've got, this is what, Elmo? This looks like Elmo here. It says, I love
you.
Oh, this is, okay, all right, cool, nice.
A Pokemon.
Is it? Oh yeah, right. And you did one for Smile.
Yes, I did.
I like that. No, this is my favorite piece.
Awesome.
Right, no, but what do you need to get all of this done? Because like the work is, like it's properly finished, all them kind of things. Like, is this something you can do at home?
Yes, it is. So what we need is a tufting gun, right? We also need yarns as well, backing glue, backing as well, right, for the pieces.
Right.
And there's also a small knit that can be used. Instead of the gun, there's a knit that, you knit row by row. And that is very, very time consuming. Different types of glue and, shears and stuff like that. So it's quite a few stuff.
Okay, and you can do it on your own or do you need a team to help you?
No, I can do it on my own.
So for example, this Elmo or even this Weekend Smile, right? Like how long does something like this take and in terms of hours, etc.?
Right. For this one, this took about 8 hours to do. This one took 2 days. Right?
2 days?
Yeah, this one took 1 week, right?
What's the difference in terms of what accounts for the length of time to produce each piece?
The style in which it is done, right? For example, this one, it has a lot of carvings, right? This one has small letters. Small letters are harder to craft, right? But something as simple as a circle and, some 4 lines isn't as difficult to create. But anything that has to do with small letters or, particular carvings, it takes more time and effort.
This one looks like a face.
Yes, it is. Yeah. If you look at it, you see that's Bob Marley.
Yeah. That's amazing stuff, man. So 8 hours, 2 days, a week. Yeah. This is like what? 6 hours? 8 hours too? Okay. And
around 6
just around the same?
Yeah.
6 hours or so on. What's the response been like to the pieces you've been making?
People are interested, right? And everyone wants to get a custom piece for their business or their homes.
Right.
So I guess a lot of people who are interested in the art form.
And you don't necessarily have to place it on the floor. It can be decorative. So
yeah, this one is I borrowed this back from someone I sold it to. It's actually a place. It's on a wall, like a furniture.
Right. And you can frame it and stuff if you want to. So frame it, put it in the glass, whatnot, nice frame up on the wall and stuff. Where do we find your company?
This is on Instagram, right? Facebook and TikTok as well. Craft Rugs JA.
Craft Rugs JA.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff. Where do you see yourself in the next year, next 6 months? By how are you going to close out 2024 and jump into 2025?
So I'm looking to having employees in the future and also creating rugs for like hotels or major events and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's my future plans.
All right, good stuff. You know what I never ask you though?
Yeah.
Because like some rugs are soft, some are a little rougher. What accounts for those differences?
Yarns, right? And also the amount of yarns used on each rug. This has a different texture than this, right? And this here has a different texture than this.
Right.
Right. So it all depends on the vision I see for the rug
Right.
and how I want it to feel.
And we can call you and say to you, hey, listen, Alex,
Definitely.
I have this idea. Or I send you a picture and we're like, yo, can you recreate this?
Yes, I can.
Right. And what inspires your designs, though?
It's just creativity. As I said, I attended Edna, so that, I'm
You just
a
have that
natural
bug.
born creative.
Yeah, you just have that thing in you.
I just have that thing in me.
Yeah. And what do you find in terms of the most popular requests from people who reach out to you?
Family, their face.
Yeah.
Yeah, their faces and family. Right? And also logos as well, like business logos. Yeah, I get that a lot.
And you can do a wide variety of sizes. I'm sure the bigger the
can.
size.
Yeah, from like 5 inches to 5 feet.
5 inches? Sir,
Yes.
like one look at something like smaller than the tablet,
so
really.
some
Like,
people,
it's like probably half
like
size.
maybe want like a dog paw or something like that. Yeah, something small.
Yeah.
And some want something much bigger.
Good. I really, really am impressed. And I'm happy that you decided to take it on. And you're doing well, and people are reaching out to you. So, Craft Rugs JA, you can find it on Instagram, Facebook, and
TikTok.
And TikTok. All right. Well, yeah, obviously, because it's a trend on TikTok. That's Alex Palmer. He's the founder of Craft Rugs. Our second video pick takes us to the break. We've got way more We Can Smile right after this.